Hey, hello you small investor. The Stock Exchange Games is the place where every morning, people with money meet the smart people, and, at the end of the day, smart people leave with the money, and the rich people leave smarter, saying, "Today I invested in the stock market." No offense brother or sister, but today's talk is different. You really think you can join the table, where the people who invented and maintain the stock exchange, they feed themselves with people's dreams of becoming rich? Really, you think this? Welcome to my ENRICH Talks YouTube channel. These talks may save you some money, and make you wiser. I don't want to scare you, but if you understand the message of this talk, you will think twice before losing your first money on the stock market. Losing big money after a small sugar winning for the enthusiasm of the beginner. Later in this talk we have the paradox of investing and 2 episode titles about money. Now, answer yourself, who pays the entrance tax, the commissions, the taxes and fees, the brokers and the counseling? Who pays the losses, the taxes for winnings, their electricity bills, and the mega money bonuses of their directors, every year? Exactly, people like you, and the many new ones. You may think I am afraid, or this talk is discriminatory or stupid, but why smart people choose to put their companies on the stock exchange, and take the money from the other people, instead of taking money from banks or invest their own money? Because they are smart is the answer. Why all the good stocks are overvalued? Because all the people invest in the same big companies. Yes, but only those people are rich, those who make profit and take their money out, before another crash. The truth fact is, any information or decision before being announced to the majority of investors, this decision is approved by the big investors and owners. It's too late for you to take your money out, I am sorry. And the manipulation and overvalued companies, meaning the differences between financial numbers versus reality of the costs, who takes the biggest share of the money pie. And don't forget that the companies, when they hit the money target, and reinvest the free money taken from the people, it is called success, and a good day. The stock exchange is a market where people go and trade money for securities, such as shares of stock companies, bonds, and other financial instruments. The ugly truth is that you want to play the stock exchange games, still the rules are made by the winners. Because, before the first day when everyone can buy the limited number of shares available, the smart guys already divided between them, the biggest part of shares, and also the price they decide to be, they decide at what price you and others will buy. So, who is winning? Playing your money at the stock exchange games and in the red days, the days when the market is down, or when the market is literally closed, and you don't have access to your own money, is this fair? Because of the panic of losing the money, or the control of emotions, the roller coaster money game, one day the prices are up, one day are down, and there is an entire school of emotions to be learned before playing the stock exchange games. Should I wait another day? Or sell and take the profit? In what should I invest? Whose advice should I listen? There are no guarantees, money doesn't exist. And this fact that once entered the system, you are in the game, you don't leave the table when you want because you are not the only player, you don't leave the table when you want because others don't want to lose, and you don't leave the table when you want because it is not your decision. You can start crying, but you don't impress the rich ones on the table. Meanwhile playing the exchange games, they feed themselves with your tears of stupidity. Playing your money, buy and sell stock, it sounds easy, 100% profitable, secure and always open for new people ready to play their money. The paradox question is, why the people who work in the money system, in banks, in trading and with other people's money, why my friends that are accountants, they work with rules and taxes, don't invest in the stock exchange market? And why the new generations are investing without having emotional maturity, money knowledge, and money itself. The common sense is to have a life, to invest in the things you need for living, a family, and if you have extra money, you could invest them, I mean play them in the casino of the stock exchange games. Why are people poor? 40 answers, link in description of this talk. Save your money from losing them, don't invest in what you don't understand. See you in next episode. Be the smart guy who makes money, not the rich guy who loses them.